Picking up on this vlog, just flying into Georgia, and I'm touching down in Atlanta, so I decided to drop by the very first house my mother built us. I'm out here in Georgia to try to sort out some things with my mother's passing, but rolling through the old neighborhood brings back some good memories, so let's check this out. This is my old house right here. My mama planted this tree. We got a sunroom on the back. My brother and I put our names in this concrete here. That was my room, that was my brother's room. Our names are in that driveway right there. There goes our sunroom. We used to go through these old trudging ass forests and shit to go into other neighborhoods. So we would kick it in other neighborhoods on the other side of these tree lines. A lot of remote control cars, a lot of front flips in the yard, a lot of football games in these streets and all that, but I hated it. We can go by my old high school. Left at school and went to California. I was sick of Georgia at that time. But yeah, Redan High School. And it's so damn different now. There was not all these buildings here.
You're out of your mind if you ain't out there on the grind. Anytime that lake dry up, I move around.
Ooh, they got land out here, boy. Oh, this look like HOA Capital. Hell no. It's better living like a mother, though. Niggas is better living. For real, niggas is better living. Niggas got a little pond, you know what I mean? Damn, look like Jazzy Jeff got thrown out that motherfucker. They got entrances, nigga. Well, Cub better living. I gotta call Cub right now. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's Dad by God, 1/4 Ride Squad. How y'all doing? And I'm not in California right now, cuz. And we in Georgia, but I did link with somebody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we.
So I'm with the king, the Wheelie King.
Yeah, Wheelie King.
And the first thing he wanted to do is put me on some Surrons. Now,
why is that?
hey, look, we about to tour around Atlanta, and I'm hoping I have the same amount of skin on. I ain't ashy today, so look, I put a little viscosity on, so hopefully at the end of this video, I'm just as black and not hella pink. We about to move and manipulate through this area in the best way, quietest way possible that we can cause as much trouble without being hella loud. So
let's just see how much fun he can have.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, we breaking the law, cause we doing it moving. Whatever it is whatever it's gonna be. You're gonna drop a pin at this spot where the vehicle is, and at any time, if we happen to have to move or shake just a little bit,
split apart.
we gonna stay together. We gonna stay together. That's the thing. But if we have to move and shake just a little bit, it's no big deal. I don't do too much of the e-bike shit, but the crazy thing about it is I understand it in this environment. This environment right here, I fully understand the whole situation. Yeah. Big tourist shit.
Yeah, big tourist shit.
You know what I mean? Oh, word? Yeah, right. Oh, no, it's just a fucked up Hyundai. Yeah, this looks like Frisco, huh? Hella Victorian houses and shit. Hey, y'all always ask me if I'm related to the Martin V. Luther King. Nah, I ain't. Last name is King, but this is the Born House.
I don't know if you listen, Martin.
Wow,
right
shit.
There, you can't say Martin ain't from the trenches.
See, this is the type of thing. Really need to know the type of history that you around when you're in other locations. So I did grow up out here in Georgia for a mere 4 years, but in that 4 years, I didn't really see too much but Stone Mountain Park and shit like that. This is cool as though, boy. I can tell right now, these are a ton of fun. The only thing I gotta get used to, cause y'all know I am sport tired to the death, these knobbies, I can feel them moving. And it's funny because it's just something you gotta get used to. So far, we ain't really like doing too much where I'm leaning or nothing, but it's kind of like a bicycle. If you ever had a mountain bike or a 10-speed and been like beasting down the street, you've been corners with the same kind of care that you would take on the knobbies. But you know what I'm saying? We first 5-10 minutes on the junks, we'll see. Like I said, we gonna make sure I ain't pink by the time this is over with, but we gonna see what's happening. This shit fire. This is like that bridge we filmed that movie on in LA. Look at that motherfucking view though, boy. Don't be dumb. Goddamn rat.
I want one hand so bad.
That nigga go. He gotta make the life and death decision. No brakes or dip back. You know what I mean?
No brakes or fall. All right, open the shit. I don't care.
Got it? You got it? Yeah, this shit going crazy. Fire. That shit look nuts. All right. Oh, yo. The tar, they repaving it. So yeah, we gonna stay off that. I felt all that heat and was like, boy, what's happening? Yeah. Dang. That's sick. They built this as I was leaving. This shit was kind of hard in the heyday of the situation. They built all this shit up and I left. Right up there is the old flame situation and all the other little shit. Sick ass area. The thing is it's a historic place. The Olympic travels around, but this location stayed historic. It's about what, 2:54 a.m. Done editing, just out and about. And the whole reason I'm even in Georgia is where I'm at right now. This was my mother's house. So popped out here to handle some business. Obviously, there's a lot of business to handle, but cool to link with my boy Shamar. Like, you know, I've talked to him for years. I remember he hit me up in the DM the month my brother just died, and that was the first time I talked with him. So it's been about 6 years now, actually, because that was 2020. Fuck. Yeah, so anyway, long short, it's cool to have partners in different regions, different areas. So as I have a crib out here now, some of my partners is in the area. So hell, you know, this is 3 a.m. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I do got some shit that I need to do, but if I can get it done, cool. And then maybe we might link with somebody else that y'all might know or you may not know. But you have to check that out on another video because, like I said, it's 3 a.m. I'm going to give y'all 2 because I'm about to go to sleep, ho. We out.